Ever wondered what most communities in Anambra West looks like just before the flooding hits? Here in Anam, where the rivers cradle the land, life breathes in rhythm with the waters. This is Anam, in Anambra West, the food basket of Anambra State, where every sunrise brings both promise and fear. The land is green, the people hopeful, but each year before the harvest ends, the flood begins to whisper. Anam is the heartbeat of Anambra's food basket. The yams of Anam, potatoes, cassava, rice, corn, and many others feed cities far beyond their borders. But even before the flooding reaches their home, it swallows their farms. Then the rain falls harder. The river swells. The River Niger, Anambra River, and Ezichi River all converge like a silent army. The waters has no mercy, only memory. It comes for the field, it comes for the homes, and it comes for hope. When the water becomes too much, everyone looks for a place of refuge. For a place like Otuocha, it becomes the shelter for thousands when the flooding takes everything. But Otuocha is only a high ground, not their home. The question remains, how long can they keep running? Every year, the National Emergency Management Agency warns, urging residents to relocate from their homes. The warnings are clear, but is the warnings enough? Is this the same story told again before the next flooding hits? Every year, the flooding takes something away. A farmer's harvest, and sometimes their home. But at the end, they rebuild. They plant again because hope is the only thing that hasn't drowned. The flood is not only a local story. It is part of a large struggle of rising water due to rainfall, or the emptying of dams, or climate change. From the Niger Delta to the Benue Plain, we are learning that water remembers where to go, but we have not yet learned how to stop it. There are solutions if we choose them, like early warning system, river dredging, water control through damming, flood-resistant farming, safe settlement zone. Sometimes I feel that the government doesn't seem to care. But if the people of Anam are ready to work to solve this problem, will the government rise and stand with them? Just before the flooding hits, there is calm and courage. The people of Anam knows the water is coming, but they will not give up their land, because this land is more than soil. It is life, it is memory, it is home, and someday, maybe soon, the water will emit something stronger than fear. It will meet change.